Hi friends! Today we're going to learn about fractions. Fractions are like sharing yummy things into equal parts. Ready to have some fun? Imagine we have a big circle, kind of like a yummy pie or pizza. Now let's cut this circle into 4 equal slices. If we shade just one slice, that shows the fraction 1/4. 1 out of 4 equal parts. We write this as 1/4. The top number is shaded parts, and the bottom number is total parts. Let's try another example. What if we shade 3 out of the 4 slices? That's the fraction 3/4. 3 shaded parts out of 4 in total. Here's one more example. Let's cut this circle into 6 equal slices. What if we shade 2 out of the 6 slices? Here shaded slices are 2 and total slices are 6. That's the fraction 2/6. Let's practice reading fractions together. This one, 1/2, is read as 1/2. Here's another, 3/4. We say it as 3/4, or sometimes 3/4. And this one is 5/8, which we read as 5/8. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. Fractions show parts of a whole. The top number is the numerator. It tells us how many parts are shaded. The bottom number is the denominator. It tells us the total number of equal parts. So remember, fractions equals numerator over denominator. Now it's your turn. Let's play a quick fractions game together. Ready? Look at this yummy circle pizza. 3 out of 5 slices are colored. Can you guess what fraction that is? Time's up. The answer is 3/5. Did you get it right? High five. Here's another one. This circle has 4 out of 6 slices shaded. What fraction do you think that is? And the answer is 4/6. Great try, friends. That's 4 parts shaded out of 6 in total. Awesome job. You're getting better and better at spotting fractions. Keep practicing and soon you'll be a fractions superstar. Great job learning today's topic. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to Bright Stack.